Hello, welcome to the new section, Information Extraction and Text Classification. This section tells you more about named entities recognition. We will be using inbuilt NERs and also creating our own named entities using dictionaries. Let's learn to use inbuilt text classification algorithms and simple solutions around its application. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with using inbuilt NERs. In this video, we're going to create two sample functions with named entities. Named entities help us understand more about what is being referred to in a given text so that we can further classify the data. These examples will help understand what named entities are. Python NLTK has built-in support for named entity recognition, NER. We will be using tree bank data to understand the NER process. Import NLTK to start off. Then define a new function called sample_NE. We import the first tagged sentence from the tree bank corpus and then pass it to the NLTK NE chunk function to extract the named entities. The output from this program includes all the named entities with their proper category. In the same manner, we define another function, sample_NE2. The only difference here is that the output from this program includes all named entities without any proper category. This is helpful if the training dataset is not accurate enough to tag the named entities with the proper category, such as person, organization, location, and so on. Now we call the two sample functions that we have defined before and print the results. Here are the named entities. First with proper category and then without it. This was all about using NERs.